So over here you can see that I have an image, and if I want to apply different filters to it, then I can use something called the filter gallery. So to do that, you can go around onto the filter menu right here, and here you can see that filter gallery is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that the filter gallery opens up, and you can choose from different filters that you can apply right here. For example, you can go around and apply the colored pencil filter right here, and that filter will be applied. So over here on the right hand side, you see colored pencil is here, and you can select out the filters from over here as well. You can go around and change around the width, as you can see right here, and the filter changes out over here on the preview area accordingly. You can change the width right here, you can change the stroke pressure right here, and the filter is reapplied right here, and you can see the result once more. So you can go around over here onto other groups of filters as well, and maybe you want to turn it into a halftone pattern right here, just like this, and you can go around and see that is how it affects out the picture right here. Now talking about some of these effects under Sketch, you can see that right now the color is black and not black but blue and white. That is because the foreground color and background color is selected with the same colors. Let me just go around, press cancel right here, and instead of, let's say, blue right here, let me just go around and select a bit of dark brown. So just like this, I'm going to go around, select dark brown, and if I were to go around under filter and in filter gallery right here, now what happens is that if I were to go around onto Sketch and select out halftone pattern, then same color is applied right here. Similarly, you can see that this is what you have as well. You can go around, select this out over here as well, and you can change around the smoothness. As you can see, you can change around the contrast, you can increase and decrease it out right here to get the effect that you want right here accordingly, and that is the effect that you get. And that is how you can go around and press OK to apply the filter and utilize the filter gallery inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.